Hello and welcome to another Orion Tech Tips video. Today we will be reviewing the ALLMAX IsoFlex protein powder. Okay, this is the chocolate mint, and it is the 5-pound container. And this thing is actually really big. Okay. So this is 90% protein. I haven't gotten this before. Maybe I'll compare this to the other one that I used, that I'm using right now. But it's definitely less premium, but this thing is crazy. 5 pounds, 90% protein, 120 calories, 27 grams of protein. And the serving size is 30 grams. So in a 30-gram scoop, it's 120 calories and 27 grams of protein. So yeah, 90% is protein, as you can see. Okay, so we will be testing this. We have 8 ounces of almond milk. And this is the unsweetened 30 calories. I did add 1 pack of Splenda, so it adds 30 calories. If you don't want 30 calories, then just add water, and yeah, you'll be good. So this turns in, so yeah, 150 calories for this whole thing. Alright. I like the lid. It's actually really cool. It's like grips on the side. Alright. And the scoop sits right on top. So I've never tried this before. Yes, there was some paper that you had to peel off. So I did that off camera, but I haven't tried this yet. So this will be my first time I actually do try it. Okay, it looks about right. I thought I would have to find the scoop, so I could just pull it out of the protein powder, but no, it sat right on top, which really surprised me. Okay, so chocolate mint. The only time I've actually had a chocolate mint protein powder was, where was I? It was a mint chocolate chip. I was at LA Fitness when I signed up for I think they gave you a free week there when I was in California. And yeah, I got to try that, and it was actually really good. I don't know what brand that is. Probably not this, because this is... Probably wouldn't give this away for free. Just saying. Alright, I guess... Shake it up. Alright. Actually dissolved pretty well. Something with the isolates versus the concentrates from the whey protein is the isolates definitely do dissolve better. Alright, not bad. Yeah, I definitely do 120 calories, 27 grams protein. I recommend this. It doesn't taste as good as a, I had this one, Snickers protein from High Protein, and that really did taste amazing, but that did have a lot of sugar and fat in it, and it wasn't really, it was only like 21 grams of protein for like, what was it, 130, 140 calories, maybe even 150 calories. So it definitely wasn't really like pure protein powder like this is, but it did taste better. But of course there's more fat and sugar in it, so I'd expect that. But yeah, this tastes good. I'd recommend it. If you are curious, here is the nutritional facts. If you can see that, I hope. Okay. Yeah, 5 pounds of protein powder. My first time ever getting 5 pounds of protein powder. Oh yeah, so ALLMAX Pure Whey Protein IsoFlex. ALLMAX Pure Whey Protein Isolate IsoFlex. Okay. Truly superior proteins technology. Contains no gluten, no soy, and no added sugar. So yeah, the no soy, I never get proteins from soy. I don't like, vegan proteins definitely are not. Soy protein, pea protein, any vegan protein is not healthy at all. So yeah, that's good that this is just pure whey. Collagen would be another good source of protein. But yeah, okay, anyway, I give this 2 thumbs up. I recommend it. Alright, peace out.